Hello viewers, I'm Mrs. Obi, lovers of mathematics. We are here to solve algebraic fraction. We have algebraic fraction today and we are to simplify 4x plus 1 divided by 3 minus x minus 5 divided by 12. Now this is the first thing you do. You write out the question. 4x plus 1 divided by 3 minus x minus 5 divided by 12. Now, after writing the question down, the next thing you do, for every algebraic fraction, you find the LCM of your denominators. What are your denominators? 3 and 12. The 3 and 12 is your denominator. So you find the LCM of the denominator. 3, 12. You divide by 2. You bring down your 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. You have 2 again. You bring down your 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. You divide by 3. Then you have your LCM to be 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Our LCM is 12. Now you know your LCM. You write it out. 12. The next thing you do is divide your LCM by the denominators. Whatever your answer is, you multiply by your numerator. So, this is what you do. 12 divided by 3 is 4. You write it down. 4 multiply by your numerator. 4x plus 1 into brackets minus, we are done with the left hand side. You move to the right hand side. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 multiplied by your numerator, you put it in brackets. X minus 5. So once you are done with this, you need to simplify. The next simplification you do is to open up the bracket of your numerator. And by opening up the brackets, you have to multiply the number you have outside by whatever you have in the brackets. So we start from the left hand side. 4 multiplied by 4x, we have 16x. 4 multiplied by plus 4, we have plus 4. Minus 1 multiplied by x, we are having 1x. Is the same as minus 1 multiplied by x, which is minus 1x. So we also have minus 1 multiplied by minus 5. This is it here. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 5. Minus times minus is plus. 1 times 5 is 5. So we'll be having plus 5 divided by 12. Now, when you have something like this, the next thing you do is to collect like terms. In most cases in mathematics, you don't write 1x. So our 1 will be invisible. So you will only be having x, which is the same as 1x. So at the end of the day, now let's simplify by collecting like terms. To collect like terms is to bring closer the items that look similar. Like we are having numbers with letters, variables here, and we also have single numbers. So we'll be collecting like terms by having 16x closer to minus x plus 4 plus 5 all over 12. Now, we've collected like terms. To simplify, 16x minus x will be giving us 15x. Plus 4 plus 5 will give us plus 9. divided by 12. Now, when you look at your answer, you can't leave your answer like this because you can still simplify. So the next thing you do is to factorize your numerator. To factorize your numerator, you look for a factor that is divisible by the two numbers 15 and 12. What is the common factor there? Their common factor there is 3. The highest common factor there is 3. We have 3. This is what I factor of 15 and 9 is 3. That's the highest common factor. And this is what I mean by the highest common factor. This is 15x and 9. Divisible number. Well, a number that can divide 15 at the same time divide 9 is 3. 3 in 15 will give you 5x, and then in 9 we give you 3. At the end of the day, there is no other factor that can divide. We can't use 3 because this is 5, and we can't use 5x because this is just 3. So the highest common factor there is 3, and that is what we use to factorize our numerator. So by factorizing, you write out your 3, then you use it to divide the 15. So it will be 15x divided by 3, which is 5x plus 3. What we have done is divided by your 12. At the end of the day, we have factorized 15x plus 9 into 3 open bracket 5x plus 3 close bracket, then divided by our minus 12. With this, you can now finalize. So after factorizing, the next thing you do is to divide the numerator, because we want to simplify to the lowest, is to divide the numerator by the denominator. And what we have here is the 3 divided by 3 is 1. We'll be having 1. 3 divided by 3 will be having 1. And 12 divided by 3 will be having 4. So finally, our answer will be 5x. Remember, this is just 1. There's no 3 there again. So be 5x plus 3 divided by 4. That is our final answer. Because we have divided 3 in 3 here, 1. So 1 times whatever you have in your box is still the same. Then 3 in 12 is 4. And that is why we are having 4 as our denominator here. So this is the final answer for this algebraic fraction. If you have any comments or any on this algebraic fraction, please comment, DM us, and subscribe to our page if you love mathematics. Thank you.